Hello everyone, warm welcome to your decoding of the Economic Times newspaper. I am Priyanka Bhatia from Women on Wealth, committed to educate you financially, which our schools and colleges should have done, but they didn't. So let's get started. It is the Corona time, and our newspapers, even the business newspapers, are filled with how Russia is offering us oxygen, how there are certain areas where which are reporting that oxygen vehicles have not been reaching them on time, etc., etc. So there is a lot of news around the coronavirus crisis. So we're going to move beyond, look at the financial news, because this shall too pass, and it is a critical time that we focus on our skill building and moving forward. That's what I truly believe in. Hey Anusha, Kavneet, warm welcome. Good morning. So, hey Balwinder, good morning. Warm welcome. So the first news that I want to talk about, while people are talking about that the hiring has been hit majorly, people have lost their jobs, and that there is a big concern in increments or the money people make. On the other hand, e-commerce companies are looking for more and more people because the current workers have taken off saying that they are not well, and also because the demand has gone up 25% month on month. When the demand is going up 25% month on month, then you can figure how much the demand is going to go up annually. And this is a big change that the coronavirus crisis has led to, where people are shopping online. I am sure you've been shopping online. I am the one who shops online majorly. Hey Himani, Puneet, welcome. So let's begin with this article today. Hey Richa. So e-commerce companies step up hiring to meet staff shortage. So clearly they're saying there's staff shortage, and more people are calling in sick among their workers. So the demand has also hit a high, and everything is coming together for these e-commerce companies. E-commerce companies are hiring extensively to replace the growing number of delivery and supply chain staff who are testing positive for COVID-19, especially in the country's larger metros that are facing a rampant increase in infection. The shortfall in labor at a time when demand for online supplies is at a high is pushing some companies to double their recruitment, even as they increase testing of their frontline workforce and lobby for a quicker vaccination rollout. So for their own workers, they are pushing for quicker vaccination. They are hiring more people. They are doubling their recruitment. Look at the potential in the business. I get that right now we're all consumed by what's happening around the virus and more. Yet there is an opportunity in all this breakdown that the world is witnessing. And this opportunity in the world of finance can be seen in how businesses are moving. Despite the breakdown in the business world as well, there are some businesses which are doing extremely well. And when a business is doubling its hiring and the demand is increasing 25% month on month, it speaks a lot about the future of that business. Lit Namita, good morning. So the article is saying that the online grocery major Big Basket is recruiting double the number of workers and creating bench strength to ride out the current wave that has caused orders to spike by 23 to 25% month on month across the country. So that's about Big Basket. The demand really touching its peak. This is the CEO and the founder of Big Basket, Hari Menon, who is saying this year people are falling ill and that's causing a bit of problem for us. The moment someone shows any signs of illness, they are supposed to report to us, and now so many people are calling in sick. So on one side, because of all the sickness of its frontline workers, the business demand may be getting hit, but the demand is ever increasing month on month. That's what's happening. Executives at online marketplace Flipkart say that they are seeing a lot of people fall sick and also a lot of absenteeism. But due to the relatively younger age of such workers, most are exhibiting milder symptoms. We are trying to figure out vaccination for our frontline workers, but so far nothing has happened. We are hoping from the next month we can get vaccinated. So they are seeing how vaccination will be a big step forward in further strengthening the business, in which the demand is booming right now. Are you guys ordering something from e-commerce companies? Start typing if you are ordering anything and what is it that you're ordering right now. Sonika, Gauri, Lit, welcome. Start typing. Are you ordering anything? If yes, what is it that you are ordering right now? Hey Rohini, welcome. Preeti. I'm ordering my health supplements, groceries, vegetables. All of this is coming online for me and my family. All essentials, Kavneet. Okay. Clothes and groceries. Got that. Lit. For Juhi, it's groceries. Okay. Medicines, groceries. Most of us are keeping it really basic for now, is it? Are we focusing more on the essentials? Totally dependent on e-commerce companies for essentials. Got that, Balwinder. And don't forget, guys, Balwinder is one of our old members who is in one of the remotest towns in Punjab. So if that is where this is happening, it tells us a lot about the movement. Gauri, only online, all groceries and personal household essentials. Okay. Balwinder, it's groceries only for you guys. Got that. For me, I'm also ordering my health supplements. Preeti is sharing, I have too many clothes anyways. Only essentials. Getting frugal these days, Kavneet. Got that. This is brilliant, guys. So that is one big move which is happening in our businesses. And if you are intelligent investors, your aim is to do intelligent investing, knowledgeable investing, then you need to be able to go beyond all the emotions that the coronavirus crisis may be bringing in. When I say going beyond, then I am actually making a video very shortly on how to make fear your friend, because it is critical that we become friends with fear, go beyond it, and actually start looking at things rationally more than being driven by emotion. That's very, very critical. I'm not saying be emotionless. We'll have emotions for the rest of our lives. It's just being sane in the face of whatever might be happening. Home essential craft supplies for your girl. Got that, Rohini? You're stuck in your hometown, so not much e-commerce purchase. Got that. Awesome. So yeah, this is how I would say I am looking at the newspaper. I'm spotting opportunities. I'm looking at where the next wave is going to, and can we really use this opportunity for any kind of intelligent investing. So that's why I decoded this article today, and this is where I want to move each one of you. Got that? Much needed one. Yes, this is a much needed break for all of us, most of us. Got that, guys? So, on this note, we close the decoding of the Economic Times newspaper. Loads of love. Keep learning, keep decoding, keep looking for opportunities while experiencing what you experience and going beyond the emotions. Take charge, everyone. Stay safe, and Preeti is sharing. Don't get caught up in the emotion. Move beyond, take appropriate actions, take all the precautions, and yes, keep moving, keep growing. Loads of love, everyone. Take charge.